Okay, so let's take a look at how you can export data from your Salesforce developer dashboard. So first thing, make sure to log into your developer dashboard, and in quick find you type in export, and it should show you some list. Okay, here you see data export. Click on that link. Now in data export page you will have option to either data export or schedule your export. So we will export now in between that option. Okay, so here you see export now and schedule. So let's go with export now. That should open another page. Here you have to select the encoding. Let's see if I choose Unicode UTF-8, which will be much better if you are working with remote workers or international users. Then you have include images, documents and attachments. Tick, or you can uncheck if you don't want that. Then include Salesforce files, CRM content, document versions. You can uncheck that, not necessarily needed. Then you can choose the data that you want, or you can click on include all data. Okay, the long list here, so simply click on include all data and then click on start export. It will also take you to another page, okay, where you can see your export has been queued and you will receive email notification when completed. Okay, till then you cannot use export again. You can only schedule that export. Okay, there is one more option there, which you see replace carriage return with space. You can check or uncheck that depending on the requirement.